I don't care what happens to my campaign. I will launch again. I will be back. You can't stop me. Facebook can't stop me. Google can't stop me. TikTok can't stop me. Because I'm dedicated. And if you want to live a life like this, you got to be dedicated. You can't let that stop you. Some of y'all get banned and you give up. What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Chanel Stevens, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, as you can see, I'm relaxing in the pool. But I wanted to make this video to basically just touch on my experience with like marketing so far. Hopefully you can get some gems out this video. One day you can live a life of, you know, freedom and of your dreams, just like you see me doing right now. First things first is, guys, you can't be afraid of taking risks, right? A lot of this is going to be basically risk taking and not being afraid of loss, because it's easy to just be afraid of losing money or being afraid to fail. And that's what I see a lot with like all the beginners and my students and stuff like that. They really don't take any action because they're afraid of, what if I pick the wrong offer? What if I spend $100 and don't make anything back? Or what if I spend $1,000 and don't make anything back? What if I spend, you know, some people have bigger budgets. What if I spend $5,000 and don't make anything back, right? And that's the risk you're taking. You can't be afraid of the risk. And I feel like that's the difference maker between me and a lot of people. I'm not afraid of loss. I'm not afraid to lose, you know? Just like in my last video, I told you guys, you know, I launched 30 campaigns before I found my first winner. And it was because I really didn't know what I was doing at first. So I was just trying a whole bunch of stuff. And if you're not new to this video, you know, I used to be scared to even put links in my posts. I had launched a campaign and I put, it was like a text marketing type campaign where I wanted people to text the number first and then they got sent a link. So I was just trying all different type of strategies. Nobody told me that in the training or anything. I was just brainstorming marketing campaigns, marketing strategies for my offers, and that was one of my first successful type campaigns. And then from there, instead of sending them to a text message, you know, SMS type campaign, I sent them to an actual link. And then that's when I like really started launching with links and stuff like that. And yeah, guys, it was just trial and error. A lot of this is going to be trial and error when it comes to marketing campaigns. A lot of successful marketers, super affiliates, not going to tell you that, but we fail a lot. We lose a lot. You know, it's a lot of things I have done that has lost me money, but the winners, you know, outperform the losses that I have. So I may have a few losers. I may have, you know, some campaigns that were just total duds, where I just wasted thousands of dollars and never got my investment back. But the winners pay for all that. So if you can take anything away from this video, that's why I wanted to touch on this first. Is don't be afraid to lose. Don't be afraid of risk, because you think if I didn't take these risks, I'll be here right now. If I didn't take risks, I would literally probably still be working a job, still living in, like, still, you know, just in Atlanta, like, just living a basic life. I wouldn't be here living my dream life. So that's first things first. Second thing is I really want to touch on strategy and how you should go about your strategy, because it's easy to just be like, all right, you know, I watched one tutorial, but like, guys, it's a lot of different strategies out there, and I say you need to pick 1 to 2 strategies and just stick to that till you see success. If you know somebody's having success with that strategy, if you know somebody's using Facebook ads, or you know somebody's using TikTok ads, you see a successful campaign running anywhere, wherever you see it, guys, stick to that strategy till you get your success, right? Because I saw that people were winning with Facebook ads, and that's what made me be like, all right, boom, I'm gonna go with Facebook ads and I'm gonna stick with it until I see success. I was just launching campaigns on Facebook ads until I saw success. So it's just like, you know, I wasn't afraid of losing. I took the risk. I wasn't scared anymore, and I stuck to one thing. I stuck with one traffic source. You know, I'm not gonna say just stick to one offer, because there's gonna be many different type of offers that you may need to test out. It may be a niche you're in, and the niche may not be working well with that traffic source, right? So you may have to switch your niche. You may have to switch up your offer type. And my strategy was to launch cost per lead offers using Facebook ads, right? And that's what I stuck to, and I stuck to it till I saw success. So just make sure when you know you have a winning strategy, even though your first campaign with that strategy may not be successful, it's okay to launch again. It's okay, you know, to test out another offer. Just stick to the same strategy though, right? Stick to the same traffic source. Don't go bouncing around. Don't be on Facebook ads one day, then Google search the next day, and then now you want to try adult. You know, that's too drastic. It's too drastic. It's different type of campaigns. You know, adult uses banner ads. Facebook, you're gonna need, you know, photos, videos. TikTok, you're gonna need, you know, those quick attention grabbing short clips. So it's like, you know, those are different strategies. And when you're a super affiliate and you've been in the game a long time, of course, you can venture off and start trying these things. But if you're just getting started, if you're a beginner, no, you shouldn't be doing that, guys. You should be sticking to one thing and staying focused on that one thing. I kind of want to move around. Hang on. Yeah, this is the life that you get to live when you take risks, right? When you realize that you're going to do whatever you need to do to become successful. Because it was a point in time where I was broke and just my life was looking just horrible, horrendous. And I had a dream though, and I always had a dream, and I was never afraid to take risks for my dream life. And that's what got me here. So as I reflect on this vacation, which I always reflect on my vacations, that's why I use them for reflection and to just be grateful and thankful for where I'm at. But as I reflect, you know, I wanted to just really make this video to just touch on how I really want you guys to take risks on a certain strategy and don't give up on it until you see success. Like, I really be trying to help you guys realize what it's going to take to get here, because like, I know these videos is what motivated me to keep going. It was videos like this, people living their dream life, people just showing me what's possible, what's actually real, that made me be like, all right, bet I can actually do this. I can actually make something happen for myself, you know. And I truly believe that because I saw other people doing it. And if I never had that proof, if I never seen people, you know, going out of town, traveling, or, you know, showing their income proof, and, you know, because a lot of people may think, oh, Chanel, you're just flexing. You just want to show people how much money you make. You just want to, you know, stunt. And it's really not that, guys. The videos like this is what changed my perception. So another gem is to stay with the vision. All right, I don't care if you got to watch 100 YouTube videos on where you want to travel to next. I don't care if you, like, you really need to fall asleep to, like, visualizations type stuff, like where you see yourself going, the type of money you want to go to make. You know, I don't care if you're just watching people count money on YouTube. Like, stick to the vision. You know, that is the things that I did to get to where you see me at today. I didn't just, you know, wing it and do certain strategies. Like, I kept the vision as well. I made sure that at all times I stuck with the vision. I watched a bunch of people living their dream life, a bunch of people traveling, a bunch of people buying their dream car, a bunch of people, you know, that make money online, you know, even if it's different type of ways, even if people making money in Forex and they're just living their dream life. It's somebody who accomplished their dreams. So stay in the winning circle. Keep listening and watching people who are winning. Keep watching videos like this over and over and over again. And I'm telling you, it will happen for you because you're keeping the vision. You're keeping the dream. You're not, you know what I'm saying, gonna watch a video like this and then go back into the real world where, you know, you may not have the circumstances that, you know, are ideal for yourself. So make sure that you keeping your mindset right? Listen to your affirmations all the time. I don't know if you guys know, you might be new to this video, but I listen to affirmations daily. I visualize daily. You know, get a journal, write down your dreams, write down your goals, write down how you're feeling. Let that stuff out, right? This is a journey. This is a process. This is not something you just gonna try for like a week and then give up. Like, commit to this, guys. I wasn't even successful in my first year, right? It took me time. Don't think it has to be overnight. You know, even though I made a video yesterday, how to make money as fast as possible, guys, I dropped the gems on what it's going to take so it can be as fast as possible. But don't think that's overnight. Don't think that's 1 month. Don't think that's 2 months. Because literally, I've given people just everything I was doing. Copy and paste. All right, I'm running this offer with this traffic source. This is my audience. And they still can't replicate my success. So what is the difference maker? The difference maker is mindset, guys. Your mindset behind why you're doing what you're doing. Why are you trying to become a marketer? Is this really what you want to do? Or you just see me on vacation, so you're like, oh, I want to take a vacation, let me try this. But you're not really committed to it. You know, I committed to marketing because it was going to provide the lifestyle that I wanted to live. You know, I wanted to travel. I wanted to make money. I wanted to have freedom, like time freedom was why I done this, because I can work from home and I can have as much time to myself as I want. And guys, let me tell you, life is lovely not having to wake up and go to a job. Life is lovely, like, not having no schedule ever. And I've been doing this for like over 8 years. What's it, 2024, I want to say almost 10 years. So going on 10 years. Almost 10 years, guys. I've been living life like this with no job, no schedule. And I just say it's a dream come true. And a lot of people want to live like this. A lot of people want to have this lifestyle. But it's hard if you don't keep your mindset in the type of, keep your mind right. Let me just say that. Just keep it real simple, layman terms. If you don't keep your mind right, like, you probably educate yourself, but educate yourself on the right things. Educate yourself on how to stay positive, on how to not be afraid of taking risks, on strategy, on top performer type things, right? High achiever type audios, to where you can start excelling for yourself. You can start making things happen for yourself. Mindset is key. It is 80% of your success, because I know I talked on risk and strategy, but that risk is a part of your mindset, right? And why are you doing this? You need to have a why, and your why needs to make you cry. If you're not thinking why you want to do this and you're not getting teary-eyed, I could literally cry right now talking to you guys, because that's how passionate and deep I feel about living my life like this. This is not a game for me. This is not no joke. This shit is not optional. I have to live my dream life. I have to go hard every day for my dreams. I don't care if I get banned, my ad accounts get banned. I don't care if my offer gets pulled. I don't care what happens to my campaign. I will launch again. I will be back. You can't stop me. Facebook can't stop me. Google can't stop me. TikTok can't stop me, because I'm dedicated. And if you want to live a life like this, you got to be dedicated. You can't let it stop you. Some of y'all get banned and you give up. Some of you, get an offer pulled and you don't relaunch again. Like, I seen it happen. I feel a lot of people say, oh, well, they stopped the offer, so I stopped the campaign, and I just never really launched again, and I just kind of moved on and tried other things, because it is 100 people gunning for your attention right now. After this video, it's going to be another video you probably see on the side or under this if you're on the mobile. That's going to be like suggested videos, and it's something maybe you want to watch over there. You're like, oh, this person just dropped. Oh, this person talking about this. And it may have nothing to do with marketing. So if you're not committed to this game, don't expect the results you see in people who are committed, It's like I said, I'm almost 10 years in. So of course you see me living my dream life. Of course you see me, everything's peaches and cream. But in the beginning, when it wasn't peaches and cream, that's what I'm trying to give you my mindset of what got me to this point. To where I really had to buy my groceries at Dollar Tree, $1 per grocery. Literally eating tuna, canned tuna, everything like that. Like, struggling, just the struggle, guys. Real struggle. To like now, you guys see me, I eat 5-star meals damn near every night. Like, just living the life of my freaking dreams. Because I wasn't afraid to take a risk. I wasn't afraid to set up a new ad account, to get more Facebook accounts, to just relaunch, to just keep going. When my offer got pulled, to launch another offer, to figure out what else I can do, to try new niches, to try a whole nother niche, from one niche to another niche. Take that mindset. If you can take that mindset, tell me you'll be successful. But if you keep acting like it's optional, or you're not really that dedicated, don't expect anything to happen. So yeah, I was trying to make these videos more natural, more candid, so that you guys can like really feel me from an authentic standpoint of view, because a lot of YouTube is turning into just animations and flash, because a lot of people can't, hold attention for very long periods of time. So if you made it to this point of the video, thank you. I love you. Congratulations. You're one of the few people who can even get through a whole video. And if you didn't know, my private coaching is available right now for a limited time only. I don't know how long we'll be offering it, so get in while you can. Because as soon as I close it, I'll be getting emails. Oh, why did you close your coaching? I want to get it. But it's like, look, I open it, I close it. Sometimes I want to do it, sometimes I don't. You know, sometimes I just want to enjoy life and, you know, focus on me and, you know, my family, what I got going on, my business, things like that. You know, that's why I can't really make YouTube videos as often as I really want to. But, you know, I'm on vacation now, so making a video really ain't nothing right now. But, yeah, guys. That's really all I got for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed the views, the motivation, the gems. And I'll see you in the next video.